There are so many cases. There is one case which is going on in the court on Renuka Tehsildar. This went to the court. Now, in this matter, the police took over all the documents, kept the documents with them for 2 years for verification, signature, fauja amount. See, these are serious cases where people are changing names. Migrants are coming to Goa, changing their names and using it for various purposes.
Name and Surname Act 1990 and Rules 1995 modified notification number have answer dille asa. Speaker sir, what he is claiming of some case, he may give details, I will inquire. I am not aware of, neither is my department aware of. It is the police department what he is saying investigation, I will inquire, Speaker sir. I have no problem in inquiring. 99%, almost 100% of cases are not related to this change in act, Speaker sir. So what people are doing, we want to know. I also want to know why those ads are being put.
Now you find out how many Goans are there. There may be Goans also. Find out and make inquiry. I want you to make inquiry at District Kotan. And second step, second step, look into provisions to intervene whoever is registered.
Change the name जायत लोकांचे त्या नावान जे आसा 114 जे फॉर्माचे नाव आसा त्या नावान ते नाव चेंज केलें आनी ते नाव घातलें जाल्यार गोंयचे लोकांची प्रॉपर्टी सगळी तरी कोणी विकतलो.
So this type in the RBD Act, the Central Act, we have no say, Speaker sir. They can check.
Problem, जे कोण migrant in जाल्या, जल्मल्या, तेंगे नाव चेंज कोता different. येलापा, नेलापा, 78 yearsचो भुरगो चेंज कोता नाव, हेजे serious घे.
Now, हांव समजना Speaker sir. तू पळय regional बाबचो सांगता, तो कोर्टान वचोन कोण चेंज करता काय म्हाका कंट्रोल ना Speaker sir.
You are law minister, you
Speaker
law minister, law minister,
Speaker sir, I am on my feet. Insertion of new section 3 after section 3 of the Principal Act, the following section,
In the new bill.
yeah, we have brought, no, so we have brought all this, Speaker sir.
Speaker, sir,
It is not that we are not doing, our department is functioning, Speaker sir. But what Chachil Babu is saying about going to court and changing, I have no control. I may be the law minister of the state, but that does not mean I am the law minister of the center, Speaker sir.